In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes in Canva. We'll keep it simple, clear, and practical so you can follow along confidently and use shapes to enhance any design you're working on. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design is on screen, look to the left-hand side of the editor. You'll see a vertical panel with different options. Click on Elements. This is the place where Canva organizes lots of visual pieces you can add to your design, and it's where shapes live. Inside the Elements panel, scroll down to the Browse Categories section. At the bottom, you'll see an option labeled Shapes. Click on Shapes to open the full collection. You'll notice a wide variety here: basic squares and circles, rounded rectangles, triangles, and more decorative options. Take a moment to look through what's available. Think about the purpose your shape will serve. Maybe it's a background for text, a button-like highlight, or a simple accent to balance your layout. Choosing the right shape at this stage helps your design feel intentional and clean. When you find the shape you want, click it once. Canva will place that shape directly onto your canvas. From here, you can modify it so it fits your design perfectly. To adjust the size, select the shape and use the corner handles to scale it up or down while keeping its proportions consistent. If you want a more stretched look, you can use the side handles, but keeping adjustments even usually gives a more polished result. Next, customize the color. With the shape selected, look for the color tile in the editing toolbar at the top. Click it to open the color picker. You can choose a standard color, use your saved brand colors if you have them, or enter a specific color code to match your existing palette. Selecting consistent colors is a simple way to make your design feel unified and professional. As you refine the shape, check how it supports the rest of your content. Shapes are great for adding emphasis and guiding attention, but they should never overpower your text or images. If you make a change and don't love it, you can always undo and try a different size or color until it looks just right. And that's all you need to add shapes in Canva. Open your project, go to Elements, click Shapes, pick the one you want, and then adjust its color and size. With just these steps, you can create cleaner layouts, highlight key information, and make your designs look more polished and intentional.